What's up guys, in this video we're going to talk about OEE. If you have not yet watched my OEE video, the link shows up on the top. Follow that. This is a continuation video of that OEE. In this video we're going to talk about how to calculate OEE in Excel. I have this Excel file. There will be a link for this Excel file to download so you could use it. So to begin with, what OEE, as we talked about, the importance of OEE is understanding how much time we are losing on equipment for maintenance and how much time we are losing for performance and for quality. Understanding these three is key to make manufacturing unit more efficient. Okay, let's not wait anymore and continue into the main topic. As you can see, this Excel file has a bunch of columns. I'll just zoom in to see. So we have the first three columns, A, B, and C. These are the standard columns with the current date and the machine. I just used machine just for one machine for simplicity. You could do multiple machines A and then shift. Currently we the way how I did this one is just use two shifts, shift 1 and shift 2. Total shift time, as we calculated, we have 12 hours of shift time, so we just took 12 hours times 60, that's 720 minutes. And planned downtime, we have a 60 minutes of planned downtime for lunch and breaks, and unplanned downtime is something which we had to enter. So anything you see yellow is the stuff that you need to enter into this Excel file. So you come in and enter the date, machine, shift, total shift time, depending on where you are. Some locations have 8-hour shifts, so you could put 8 times 60 there. And planned downtime is 60 and unplanned downtime is you put it in. Once you do that, then we calculate the net operating time, which is nothing but subtraction of the shift time minus the planned downtime. And we have the actual runtime, and then actual runtime is nothing but total shift time minus unplanned downtime. That will give me the actual runtime, and we calculate availability by just dividing actual runtime by net operating time. That's for 21 days. So that's how we calculate availability. Then we go into the productivity. We'll zoom in. Same thing, I copy pasted the dates from the previous file here. And cycle time per unit, this is something which you need to consider. What is your ideal or target units per minute? For this example, it's 1 minute per unit. That's why I put in a 1 here. Runtime, we took the runtime from table 1, which is actual. Whatever the actual runtime here, we just used it in the productivity tab also. Performance, which is 575, and our target, if we run 575 minutes, we should make 575 units. So it's just a multiplier of this number and this number that gives a target of 575. Actual parts made, this is the field that we had to enter, and we entered 379 here. So productivity is actual parts made by target, that's 65%. Then next sheet we have the quality. Same, first three tabs are the dates and machine and shift. Parts made are, we got it from the availability, which is total parts made is coming from actual parts made is coming from this sheet, which is the productivity tab. So we just said equal to productivity tab and actual parts made. Actually, let's make the tables. Let's select all this, and instead of table design, instead of calling it table, we just call it P, and that way it's a lot easy for us to see where it's coming from. We'll go ahead and make this table also as A instead of table 1. Tables are, I like using tables in Excel. We'll make a video about the advantage of using tables in the subsequent videos, but for this video we'll just quickly name these. Instead of table 2, we call this is Q. So coming back to Q, so we have to enter the bad parts made. So we already have the good parts made, which is coming from the performance productivity from this sheet, and then we have total bad parts made is the number that we need to enter, which is 62. So total parts, total good parts is total parts minus bad parts, that's 317, and we get the quality metrics. And for OEE, nothing but we just multiply 3 of them, and that's all we did. We took the availability times productivity times quality and multiplied with 100 to get a percentage. So that's a quick video about OEE, and we will resume in the next video. If you like this content, please subscribe and share. Thank you.